How to connect Printify to your Etsy shop. That is exactly what we're going to be showing you how to do here in this video. And as a bonus, at the end of this video, I'm also going to show you a super useful automation tool that completely automates the creation of all your print-on-demand products, saving you countless hours of time and sparing you the grueling, tedious agony of manually creating your products one at a time inside of the Printify interface. Printify and Etsy. How do we connect the two? The first thing you'll want to do is come to this My Stores section of the Printify website. So you can just click up here and click Manage My Stores, and it'll take you to this page here. As you can see, I had previously had an Etsy store connected. I disconnected it for the sake of this video, really just making quite a magnanimous sacrifice for the sake of the viewers. So we're going to click Add New Store up here. It's going to take us to this page, and you're going to select your sales channel. In this particular case, we're obviously going to select Etsy. I'm going to be connecting the shitty demo shop that I created just for the sake of this video. So we're going to click this button, and it's going to bring up this little pop-up where it's basically asking you to log into your Etsy account using whatever login information you created for Etsy. I don't even remember what the fuck mine is, so I'm just going to try some stuff. I don't remember my password. Let's try this. Hey, that was it. Fuck yeah. Once you're logged in on Etsy, it's basically going to ask for your consent, saying that an application is trying to connect to your account. The application, Printify, make it your way. I don't know when they added that fucking tagline to their company name. It's kind of a stupid fucking slogan in my opinion. Anyway, this is just a standard software permissions connection page. They're just saying, here's the stuff that we're going to give Printify, make it your way access to. Connect to your accounts, create and edit listings. Basically all the stuff that's required to just have your Printify account connected to Etsy. You can read the fine print if you would like, or you can just click grant access down here. And it says that we're connected. How lovely. That was pretty goddamn easy, wasn't it? And then just to confirm that your store is indeed connected correctly, you can come back to this Manage My Stores section and you'll see down here, my Etsy store is successfully connected, so everything is hunky-dory. If you want, you can click the settings icon here, and there's a variety of different store-specific settings you can configure for your Etsy shop. This is stuff like where you're going to be selling your products. You can set up things like the default profit margin for all of your products, or the default shipping profile to use. You can set up the branding stuff, like if you want to include package inserts for all of the products sold on this store. Anyway, that can all be found in the store settings section, where you can just come here and configure that stuff to your liking. If your plan is to create a large number of products for your Etsy store, what you'll unfortunately find is that coming here into the Printify interface and finding the particular product you want to create, clicking here, start designing, then you got to select the variants, then you have to upload the artwork, then you have to resize and position everything correctly, then you have to go to the next page, and you have to rack your brain to come up with a descriptive title, description, and tags for the product. You have to set your prices. It's just a lot of really boring, repetitive, tedious steps. They can take you hours of time to do if you're building up a large product collection. Fortunately for you, you don't need to waste your time on this because there's a very handy automation tool called the Bulk POD Product Creator, which completely automates the creation of all your print-on-demand products. It's really simple to use. Step one, you just select your image files. These are basically all the images that you want to create a print-on-demand product for. So you just click Choose Files, navigate to the folder, select all, and just like that, we have all of our artwork files selected. Then step two, you just connect this tool to your Printify store, and then you select the example product to use. This is where you basically point this tool to a reference product on your Printify store, and the tool will use that product as a sort of role model or a template to make more of. So whatever variants you have selected, whatever price points you have applied, it'll basically just create more of those products, except using each one of these artwork images that you uploaded up here. Step three, the final step, this is where you specify the new product creation rules. This is where the tool can actually use AI to generate highly accurate SEO optimized titles, descriptions, and tags for each one of your new products. So instead of you needing to waste hours of time, carefully scrutinizing all of your artwork images and trying to decide what to title the artwork pieces, what keywords to include, what descriptive terms you want to have in there so that the products will show up for the appropriate searches. Instead, the software will pass each of your images through an AI image recognition tool, which will analyze the images, understand the content, and it will just automatically do all of that work for you. It's extremely accurate. It does a fantastic job of actually understanding what the content of your images is. You can just click a few buttons, come down here, click Create My Products, and this tool will automatically generate all your print-on-demand products for you, completely automated, 100% on autopilot. You can find a link in the description if you want to check this tool out. It's a tremendous time saver, especially if you're building up a large collection of products on your store. And if you're creating custom mockup images for your Etsy shop, there's another automation tool called the Batch Replace Smart Objects plugin, which completely automates that process as well. So instead of coming into Photoshop and manually inserting your images into the scene and individually exporting each one at a time, this Photoshop plugin lets you set up an operation with a couple quick setup steps, then you just click a button and it completely automates the creation of all your custom mockup images for you. Both of these tools working in tandem, it's a big time power combo for any Etsy seller. If you're creating lots of products and lots of custom mockup images, these are two software tools that will save you an outrageous, unbelievable, downright scandalous amount of time. You can find links to both of these software tools in the description or comments of this video if you want to check them out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and comment. And if you check our channel, you'll find that we have a bunch of different videos focused on the print-on-demand space. That's all I got for now. Thank you guys for watching, and see you later.